out to go moose hunting with Tyrell and Eric once more. I'm going to probably go to a different area this time. Here the conditions we're going are pretty wet. Hopefully we'll get some decent dry weather that can drain out the swampy areas a little bit. Also not that cold yet, fortunately. Still in the probably low to mid 50s during the day. Would like to see some frost, see that dip down a little bit, but I mean, you never know. You can get lucky, just depending on what happens. So, anyways, excited to be going out once more. These guys, I think I'm going to try to keep a no more than 5 mile radius away from camp. I think Eric, Tyrell would prefer 3.5 to 4 max. That's probably where I'll try to go to and then start calling, because doing 10-mile round trips for moose, it is a pretty good way to get injured. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we just have early success. Shakes loose. It's pretty warm. To quote old Red Ferguson, everybody thinks there's hundreds and thousands of animals trucking around Alaska everywhere, but most of the time it's a pretty hungry country. That said, moose disappear into this willow like you wouldn't believe, or maybe you would. All they have to do is lay down or be in a small gully and they're not there. As soon as they stand up, they're right in front of you. So it's time to spend an hour or two glassing, and then once the daylight starts to wane, I'm gonna take a slow walk back and basically just do some still hunting on the way back. I think the wind's good, so if I go back the same way I came, I should still pretty good. Let's see how tall this stuff gets. Not so bad here, but this stuff is, a lot of it's above my head. Just heard a gunshot. Pretty sure it was Tyrell. Hopefully we got a moose down. Check it out. Eric got a moose. Oh, he's right there. Well, apparently Eric shot him right in the moose. Did in fact shoot a spike, because it's a single projection. The other side of it is just kind of this weird blob. So that is a spike.
Yeah.
But
so
that's a spike.
the other side.
Yeah.
And a spike on that side.
Well, I just looked at the regs, and yeah, that would be a spike because the other side is not longer than it is wide. So that, and it was also covered up by the velvet. But I think you got lucky there, because that is actually, that's not a separate tine. It wouldn't count as a tine. So that's a spike. As far as the regs are concerned.
If they're bringing the packs.
Well, I've got saws and everything. Who else needs water?
Spike.
All right, let me take a look. Okay, so for the record here, fishing game called that a spike too, huh? Because the other one wasn't longer than it is wide.
Yep.
Okay, well yeah, you're in the exact same boat with that one.
Yeah. No different, dude.
You got lucky though.
This isn't
Let's
luck.
get to work. Making some progress, and that is definitely a spike. It's been established. Cleaning moose definitely work. I got the guts out. There they are.
I'm not as funny as it would be.
There go the lungs. All right, well, we're almost done. Got some back straps off. We got one to go. Got to get the rib out there. Pitch black. Gonna be taking 2 fronts in the neck. Those poor guys are taking a hind each and the ribs. We got some help for the smaller stuff.
Got it with my tooth.
Got it, Eric?
Oh, yeah. Here, hold on.
Yeah, those aren't the best packs, but my Barneys should do. This is, I mean, 2 fronts and a neck on a small moose plus what? I got at least 25, 30 pounds of gear. That's that's heavy. Yeah. Yeah, don't do that again. Yeah. You guys okay? Ah, fudge. Oh. Whew. Oh yeah, I'm good. This terrain is just fun. Oh, just all the pits. It's just all the up and downs. Tucker, did you fall again?
I fell in the hole.
Well, if I had to pick somebody to fall, it'd be the lightest, smallest guy. That's you.
YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube as the guy who fell in a hole, just like I almost did. You all right?
Yeah.
Here, come here, give me your hand.
That's on the chair.
That's a frame pack, and it's kind of a crappy one. Yeah, man. You fell so I didn't have to. Thank you. You want me to go ahead of you, or?
No, I don't want to get eaten.
All right, I'll keep bringing up the rear. Yeah, we're falling behind. At least we got it all in one go.
New batteries and everything, even the ones that came with them, throw them away and put new in.
Sounds good, brother.
That way we could all hear what we have to say.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, well, this is a good way to accelerate your knee replacement. Get them out of the way. I'm telling you, man, trekking poles. Yeah, all joking aside, Tucker, that ain't easy. Good on you. I've fallen.
He's got the back straps and stuff.
Yeah, you're carrying some weight. I've fallen way more times than you have, trust me. Almost there. We're back.
The one moose I shot with my brother-in-law, Warren, we rinsed it in the river real quick, just a light, quick rinse, and it was perfect.
You can do it when you need to. I just make sure to dry it off as quick as you can once you're done. But like that neck had so much nasty on it. I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm putting that. I'm not putting that in a game bag unless I rinse it off. So. Well, we were up past 1 a.m. getting the meat hung up, getting back. So I normally get up before first light, walk out in the dark. Slept until about 8 a.m. this morning, which is probably necessary to recover. There's a heavy pack out. We're pretty sore. I think Tyrell's probably gonna hang out at camp today. I'm gonna try to go out all day, see if I can make anything happen. Cold, wet, and windy. It's not quite 11 yet. That stump right there almost looks like a giant moose antler. There's definitely at least one big grizzly bear around here. Keep seeing sign. Don't see many moose. They may be bedded down right now. Taking a nap and give my feet a chance to dry out. I actually have a little bit of sun poking through now. Third time. Drying out the boots, drying out my feet. I was foolish to not bring rain pants. I didn't think the rain would be that bad, and I thought I'd do a little bit of bushwhacking through some willow and then, probably be okay. But soaked through my pants, ran down my legs underneath the gaiters, and filled up my boots pretty good. So a little bit of sun's pretty welcome. It's just past 3, and not seeing any moose. So I'm gonna sit tight and keep glassing. I see 2 moose way out there. Yeah, I can't pick them up. Probably a cow and a calf. I don't see any antler. I just saw a cow. So far, it's about the only thing that's been out and about tonight. Been calling, and there's a bull coming right now. Doesn't look legal, but I can't tell if it is 3 tines. Sublegal. 152-1. Still pretty cool to see him though. Boy, that'd have been an easy shot. That was a good reminder to always trust your gut. I heard a thump as I was heading up back toward camp, and I could have sworn it sounded like an antler. So I turned around, listened really intently, and I heard another kind of a dull thwack. I thought that's gotta be a bull hitting antlers into trees. Dumped my pack, approached very quietly. It was a bull. He was raking his antlers from time to time, and he's feeding. I think it's 8:30 or something right now. They start to get active, so pretty cool. I definitely got close. That was less than 100 yards, but not legal. 2 tines on one side, 1 tine on the other, and that wasn't even 40 inches across, so definitely not a shooter, but still pretty cool. Well, there's a stinking moose kill, and it's covered in bear crap. So this is a bear scrape. I think there's some guts still there, so I am gonna get out of here. Bear sign everywhere and a dead moose. Boy, they disappear quick. I know he's right there, but he just disappeared into a sea of brush. He might be the same sublegal bull from yesterday. Doesn't look like he has very big antlers. At least the day's shaping up to be nice. Boy. Looks like the clouds are rolling in. can see. About 5 miles away. And wanderlust got the better of me, at least. I think I'm more than 5 miles away from camp, and it would just not be good to shoot a moose this far. Make it likely that some of us might get injured. It's not a bad walk, but it's pretty overgrown with willow, a lot of trip hazards. Besides, just as likely to get a moose closer. So I'm gonna turn around and make my way back slowly. This is cool though. Moose track all over the place. This is where it's at. Bush blueberries, like big ones. Bear print. Sign, a lot of moose beds, but it's just been a miserable day. It was so foggy and rained so heavy that I couldn't even go out until past noon. There was almost no point. All the trails are flooded. But hoping if I stay out here long enough, find a spot to sit down and be quiet. Maybe in 3 to 4 hours we might start getting some movement. It's not a nice day. It's just not stopping. There's dead moose. Try to loop back in around that bull. Hopefully he's still there. He was certainly making a ruckus. I don't know if he ran off though. I don't even know if it's a legal bull, but it's definitely a bull. Scraping its antlers. And sure sounded like a bull. Well, drying my socks again. At least we got some sun. We only really have one more day of hunting. It's good that we got one moose down, but frustrating that I've been unable to run into a legal bull. They're starting to call though, which is good. So they're clearly getting into the rut. Maybe if I get up early enough, I can make something happen tomorrow. We'll see. I've been out all day. I'm gonna stay out until there's no shooting light. Start to walk back around 7 p.m. maybe. Thank you, God, for this animal. Thank you, animal, for your body. This is gigantic. This is a gigantic moose. Very thankful. Sometimes it doesn't feel real. Certainly doesn't feel like I deserve it. It's a nice moose. It's a big moose. Just everything turned out perfect. Well, it's a big mature bull, and he is over 50.
How old do you think he is? How can you tell?
You know, it's really a guessing game. They do jaw samples. If you look at his teeth, I bet you it's just a bull in his prime. I think by the time they're 6 to 8 years old, after about 6 to 8 years old, I think they actually
Yeah, the black one.
they actually start to lose some mass in their rack as they get older. Because I shot one like that where he was like a huge 1,300 pound bull, but you could tell that his antlers were getting smaller. But this is a healthy bull. He's probably middle-aged. I don't know. I'd say he has to at least be 5, 6 maybe. It's a total guess though.
Is that also your packing bag?
Yeah. All right, Jesse, you excited? You ready? It's gonna be your first pack out.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna get started on him while the guys.
What's your YouTube channel's name anyway?
James Stinson. That's it. I'm not monetized. I'm not making any money off of it. I just love hunting, so that's what I'm doing. That's a huge front quarter.
I think it's loose.
Okay, here. I'll hold on.
You can let it go.
This is just a gigantic moose. Game bag, yeah. If you can get a big one for the boys, thank you. Getting the last antler off. This is totally done. You can see every star in the sky. Of course, not with my headlamp on, but you can see every star in the sky. You can see a lot of planets, actually. I think Venus. All right, Jesse.
I was gonna stuff these on top.
You ready?
Yeah, look at
He's gonna get real hot real quick here.
How's that feel for weight-wise?
Well, it's almost 1 a.m. and we have a orange moonlit night and stars everywhere. It is quite a place. I'm glad it's cold because we're about to be sweating bullets. Because we're all packing over 100 pounds, except for Jesse, because we don't want to give him a disc issue at this age. You should wait till you're 40. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Felt like I was lifting up
Much better than the other pack? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Barney's packs, man. There's just no comparison. You ready to swing a high there?
Hold on.
Big
Hold on.
cheddar?
Hold on.
I can help him get it out.
Yeah, I didn't get too fat. I'm able to buckle it.
It's honestly a little bit of cushion when you're carrying this stuff. It's not the worst thing in the world. Probably easy to do. Okay, you're gonna go right on first?
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I got you. Gotcha. Got the shoulder strap? Can I just say I love that you just have a freaking ratchet strap catching the hind leg of the behemoth? Tyrell, you beautiful human. You cut this trail. Smart. Wicked smart. There's a lot of dead trees. It's part of the fun. I'm the one who decided to shoot a moose.
We gotta see where we're stepping.
Yeah. As much as I'd like to keep the headlamps off, Jesse, there's too much stuff to trip on. Still in awe of this place. Stars, planets, northern lights, clear skies, cool. Yeah, packs are pretty crushing, but it's It's about the most beautiful night I could ever think of to pack out a gigantic moose. Almost back.
I take one of those every trip.
Making good time. Nice to have one nice day. Gotta get the meat back as quick as we can. Don't want it getting wet. Man, it's like it's just a river everywhere. All right, well, nothing's touched our stuff. Kill site's over that way. Birds are feasting on it. I'm gonna take the rack and the neck and just decide to do it the hard way so that we can get the heck out of here. But Tyrell has the brisket strapped to a front quarter, which frankly is about the size of a hind.
James, your bag.
All right.
It's like a beach ball. Come on, James. I got her. You're gonna have to come towards me. Got her. Get in there, you big bastard. Start picking up on the bag. Not the weight. Let it. We need it to go down.
Oh. Getting this out will be its own challenge. If that doesn't fall to the bottom of my pack, there's no way I'm packing that.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what we gotta do here.
It'll go.
It'll go?
It's probably hung up.
Yeah, it's hung up on my rack. Ah! From the heart of hell, I stab at thee.
It's going down.
This is a good advertisement for orange packs. It's going down a little bit.
It's all the way down here.
Here.
I think that's it, James.
Oh, we got to get it down further.
There it goes.
There it goes. There it goes.
Or I'm going to be so off balance, yeah.
I think we're all off balance here.
Well, yeah. Well, I don't necessarily mean in the philosophic sense, although yes. One more, two more. Ready? 1, 2. It's probably as good as she's gonna get. And I'm gonna put the rack on this, huh? Okay. Except it's one of these tall racks.
Stop. It'll right itself.
Yeah. Oh, man. I gotta tell you, I gotta write a thank you note to Barney's. I've just put this thing through absolute misery. Alright, I'm gonna get the bit pack squared away. Living with the fun. Got to have an operation. I feel bad. And then get Tyrell.
Kiddo.
Then get me.
Kiddo.
Kiddo. Yeah.
Kiddo.
Young man. Ready. Prepare to suffer.
Ooh, that's a freaking high.
Yeah, I don't like
Hold this one.
Where are your hips? You want it right here? Alright, I'll tighten it for you since I know you got gloves on. So. Is that good? Tight. Good. Get your chest strap.
That helps a lot, man. Yeah, it helps with your
You
shoulders.
need to be able to breathe though. It presses your lungs too.
You don't need that part.
Good? Too tight. Good? All right, buddy.
That bad, is it?
1, 2, 3.
Easy money, Tyrell. Not even heavy, huh?
Suck it in.
I got you. Did
We
you almost
got
go
you.
over? Never mind. You're gonna have lots of room for steak.
You good?
Woo! This is gonna be fun.
And by fun, you mean the opposite of what you mean.
Oh, fun. That's what I meant.
He means, what's it called? Type 2 fun. All right.
1, 2.
Yeah, Eric's kind of a left arm deal. Jeez, your back's bloody.
That was a bloody quarter he had.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You getting choked?
Can you pick up? I got.
Yep. Get squared away. Who needs discs? The sooner they all fuse together, the better, right? Yeah. It's one nice big calcified single vertebra. Okay.
Now. Yeah, this is not gonna be fun.
Well, did you wait till I start complaining? Then you guys will be real tired of hearing it. You're in what? This is at least 130 pounds. There's no way it's less than that. How do I even? You guys are gonna have to help me.
I think you should do it like we've been doing. Grab a strap.
All right.
We'll lift the.
Can you guys?
Come.
Hey,
Can you come help?
Can
get up?
we get these to turn first? Set them up on the. Ow, that just crushed my hand. Oh, that was close. Okay. So, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So that, at least you get, huh?
Pissing.
Oh. Not literally, but out of my hydrobladder. Oh, thanks. Nicest thing you said to me today. Okay. Yeah, if you guys can lift. Just don't get hit in the face. Don't get hit in the face with the tine. You don't want to be ugly until you're 40.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's go.
You good?
No, I'm not. Let's go. No. I'm not good. Oh, man. I bet it does. I don't know why. I keep doing this. As soon as I get back.
And you wanted to do this 4 miles that way.
I know. I was like hunting 4 miles out like an idiot. Oh my gosh.
I thought you were gonna come back midday now.
Yeah, I have to be bent over. I'm gonna be walking like an old dude. Jeez, this is not very balanced. Oh man, Tyrell's firing rounds. All right, let's go. I need, I need those sticks.
Yeah. Yeah, misery to go around.
Abby, look. Whoa! I'm totally And look, I found a mini one.
Oh yeah? Making progress. We got Shoshana helping now. The burgers. Perry working back there with the knife. Skillfully as ever. I need more burger to grind.
I got a big old tub for you.
Do you? Awesome. JJ. All right. Use the pusher. Don't stick your finger down there. Are we out of quarters?